Have you ever wondered how just a few seconds could change your life forever? Well, I have some exciting news for you. Today, we're going to talk about the concept of how few seconds could change your lifetime and why it's so significant. Let me begin by telling you a story. There was a man named Jack who was struggling with his business. Despite working tirelessly for years, he couldn't seem to catch a break. One day, Jack attended a conference, and during a coffee break, he met a fellow attendee named Tim. In just a few seconds, Tim shared an idea with Jack that completely transformed his business. He implemented the idea and within months, his business was thriving. Those few seconds with Tim changed Jack's life forever. Now, you may be thinking, that's just one example. How can a few seconds change anyone's life? Well, let me tell you, it happens all the time. Sometimes, it's a chance encounter with a stranger that leads to a life-changing opportunity. Other times, it's a split-second decision that alters the course of your life forever. But how can we ensure that we're making the most of those few seconds? Let's break it down. 1. Stay present. The first step in making the most of those few seconds is to stay present. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to get caught up in our thoughts or our to-do lists. But when we're not present in the moment, we miss opportunities that could change our lives. 2. Be open to possibilities. The second step is to be open to possibilities. It's easy to get stuck in our routines and our comfort zones. But when we're open to new experiences and new people, we increase our chances of stumbling upon those life-changing moments. 3. Take action. The third step is to take action. When an opportunity presents itself, it's important to act quickly. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take the leap and see where it takes you. So there you have it. Remember to stay present, be open to possibilities, and take action. Who knows, those few seconds could change your life forever. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a life-changing moment that happened in just a few seconds? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.